I've gone ahead and opened up AutoCAD 2018. In AutoCAD 2018, we're going to design our bag tag. I don't know about you, but I'm tired of getting luggage lost. I'm tired of getting things lost. So I want to create my own custom bag tag using AutoCAD and using a laser engraver. So to get started, let's make sure that we have a few things taken care of in AutoCAD 2018. One, we want to have our display grid on, as you can see here. And two, we want to have our snap mode turned off. You're not going to need that. And over here, let's make sure that our annotation scale is currently set to 1:1 ratio. So that's going to be good as well. Okay, so let's get started. So next thing I want to do is come over here to the line command, and I'll go ahead and select that. And I'll come out here in space, and I'll just pick a point. I'm going to move over here to the left, from the left to the right. I want to make sure I'm set at a 0 angle, and I'm going to key in the width of my actual bag tag. Now I'm using one that's the size of a name badge that I normally carry around my neck for my security badge. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it the same size, so that just kind of gives me uniformity. In case I want to put another badge associated with that on my lanyard that I carry around for my security. But also I want it to be the same size as my badge that I want to put on my luggage. So I'm going to say 3.375 inches. So I'll select that. And as you can tell, I'm zoomed out kind of far. So what I'm going to do is kind of roll up here on it using my middle mouse button. And I'll come down here, and I'll always keep myself in 90-degree or 0-degree angles. Now I'm going to key in 2.125 to key in the distance, the height and the Y. Now I could key in, do the same thing again and key in 3.375, or I can go up and snap to the first starting end point, and then just come down here and make sure I'm orthogonal or horizontal, as you can see here. Click here, come up here, and as you can see the green area right here, I'm going to go ahead and snap to that. My computer's running a little slow, so let me catch up. There it goes. Alright, so click on that, and we'll stop. Now I'm going to hit the escape key to get out of that command. So let's kind of roll up on this a little more so you can see it a little bit better. Now what I want to do is do a fillet on each one of these corners right here, and I use about an 1/8 inch fillet. So I'll come up and find the fillet command here. I'll click on that. It's pretty simple. And then down here in the command bar it says fillet, select first object or radius. Well, first thing I'm going to do is key in a radius of 0.125 of an inch. Sure, click on that. There we go. And I'll hit enter. And then now I'll just select one line here and one line there, and you can see it preview that radius. Looks pretty good. Just go ahead and hit enter again. Again, I'll hit radius, as you see here. I'm already set to that. Just hit enter again. I'll come up and click on this line, click on that line, hit enter, and I'll come back down again. Get my mouse to move here. Give me a second. There we go. Click on this, click on that one again. Make sure I hit the enter for the 125. That one. Enter again. And radius here. Oops. Start over there. Go back and hit that command again. Just hit enter one more time. And AutoCAD will go back and find that command. Hit enter on the radius. Come up here and select that line. And select that line. And there you go. So there's our rounded corners of our bag tag. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a circle. It's going to go right here. So I'll come over here to my circle command, and I'll come across this line here, and you'll find the midpoint as it pops up there. See it? Alright, good. So just come down a little bit below it. I'll just start drawing a circle as soon as my mouse catches up here again. Let's do that again here. Midpoint. Start pulling off here. Now, what I can do is I can come down here at the very bottom, and I can key in a diameter on this. So let me do that real quick. Oops, that's kind of big. We'll key in a diameter of 0.25. Hit enter, and there's our circle. It looks like it took radius, so let's go ahead and do a Control Z and start that over. Hit enter again. Go ahead and get circle again, I'm sorry. Come up here, find that midpoint, and we'll come down. And I'll key in a 0.125. Let's do that. Let's see what we do. Okay, so that gives us the radius we need. Oh, it looks like we lost our fillet over here in the upper left. We'll go ahead and fix that here real quick. So let me get out of this one command, and we'll come back up here to fillet. Select that. Again, we'll go by radius. Hit enter again, because remember the last radius I selected. Click on that line, and click on that line right there. Okay, good. So there it is. We got our bag tag design. Well, I'm going to go ahead and hit stop for now, and I'll come back and we'll put my text in.